In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix right or left AirPod not working, or low volume on your right AirPod or low volume on your left AirPod. So here I have the AirPod Pro 2nd generation, and I'm going to show you how you can fix your AirPod left or right not working, or the volume of the AirPod is not uniform. So if you know this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mark you, there are quite a few ways you can use to check or fix right AirPod or left AirPod not working on your device. Now to find out, the first thing I would advise to do is connect the AirPod to your iPhone. Then once you open the AirPod casing close to your iPhone, this is going to connect the AirPod to your iPhone. Then once connected, you can easily find out the battery of your AirPods on your iPhone. Then you can see the battery, this is 100%, and it indicated that the AirPods are charging. Now to confirm the reason why your right or left AirPod is not working, you need to check the battery of each of the AirPods. Then to do this, just remove the AirPods from the casing. Then this is going to show the battery level of the two AirPods, like this. So I have the two AirPods set to 100%, so that shows the battery of the two AirPods is 100%. Now if I replace one of the AirPods, then this is going to show you the different battery level of the AirPods. Then you can see I have the left AirPod to be 100%, still charging, while the right AirPod is 100%. I have it at my hand. Then if I insert it again, then remove the left AirPods, then it's going to show the battery level of the AirPods on my iPhone, like this. Then you can see this one is at 100%, while the right is still charging. However, if your AirPod battery is low, let's say at 1%, or the AirPod is dead, definitely if it is right AirPod, the right AirPod is going to work. It's not going to work. And if it is the left AirPod, the left AirPod is not going to work. So the first thing you want to do when you want to fix right AirPod or left AirPod not working, or the volume is low, is check whether the AirPods are fully charged. So if they are fully charged, then the problem is far from the AirPods battery. Then again, you want to confirm whether the AirPod casing is charged. So if you have a dead AirPod casing, then your AirPod will not work because they will not be able to charge when they're in the casing. As you can see, in my own case, I have my AirPod casing at 72% at the moment. And this can conveniently charge my AirPod. When either of this AirPod is dead, then it's going to charge the AirPod. So that's yet another way to fix right AirPods or left AirPods not working or dead on your device. Then another way you can use to check for the reason why your AirPod, either the AirPod, whether the right or left, is not working or the volume is low, is connect the AirPod to your iPhone again. Once connected, drop the iPhone and then check out the AirPod that is not working. If it is the left AirPod, just take it outside of the case and then check through the mesh. If the mesh is dirty or it has some debris, then you want to check it and change the Ear Assistant. Change it. You need to change it to a new one. Otherwise, this might not be able to fix the AirPods not working, because if this is dirty and the mesh is blocked by some external devices like debris, then you will not be able to hear loudly with your AirPod. So that is another approach. So I recommend you do that. Now the next thing you want to do when you're trying to fix your right AirPod or left AirPod volume is low on your device is make sure your AirPods and your iPhone are both connected together. Once they're connected together, go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Then under accessibility, scroll down and click on audio and visual. Then once you selected that, you want to scroll down as well. Make sure the ear level is balanced, so make sure you have it in between. That is, adjust the audio volume balance between the left and right channel. So if you have it, this is going to affect your left channel, and if you have like this is going to affect your right channel. So just have this in between like this. So make sure you have it at the exact location where you are supposed to have it. Then once you have it like that, this is going to make the AirPod volume uniform. Then last thing I used to do when one of my AirPods is not working, is to check for available updates. So this is quite important. I do this often. Just connect your AirPods and your headphone together. Then once you've done that, go to your iPhone settings. On setting page, locate your AirPods. So if the AirPod is not here, just close the AirPod casing. Then go ahead and open it again to connect the two devices together. So once connected, you can just go ahead to the iPhone settings again. Then you should see your AirPod on the iPhone settings. If it is not there, take one of the AirPods from the casing, open it again to pair your AirPods and your iPhone together. Now, once connected your AirPod and your iPhone together, you want to go to the AirPod page or go to the Bluetooth page and then locate the AirPod. Click on the information icon on the AirPods Pro like this. Then here, you want to check for available updates. Just stay on this page with your AirPods open just like this for a couple of minutes and have your internet access turned on your iPhone. This is going to download and install the latest version for your AirPod. So if this is the reason why either of the AirPods is not working, left or right AirPod is not working, then this is going to fix it. So you want to try out this and see which of these helps you to fix your right AirPod not working or left AirPod not working, or even either of the AirPod volume is low. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.